Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So I was opening some packages and I saw that I received these new they're water-infused tinted moisturizers from L'Oreal. It's the Skin Paradise water-infused tinted moisturizers. And it looks like they just sent over 3 shades. I have Deep 3, Deep 2, and Deep 1. I want to try these out. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these so you guys can see how they look on my complexion, and I want to do a wear test. So I'm gonna keep this super light and simple. You guys will still see how I do my makeup, but the main focus is these tinted moisturizers, and they do have SPF 19 in them. So very excited about these. I noticed a lot of brands are coming out with tinted moisturizers, so hopefully these are good. But let me go ahead and prep my skin. I'm gonna use my Lawless Hydrating Serum Primer. And this tinted moisturizer, let me actually read the back of it. It says, awaken fresh glow with luminous coverage for up to 24-hour hydration. So I'm not trying to prep my skin too, I'm gonna put this primer on, but that's about it. Because usually I would put on a moisturizer and then put a primer on. But since this is supposed to be a hydrating tinted moisturizer, I don't want too much of a glow on my face. Okay, so let's swatch them before we actually apply one of them, because I don't even know what color would be my shade. This is Deep number 1. There's a swatch right there. Then we have Deep 2. There's Deep 2 right there. And the last one is Deep 3. All right, so here we are. Hopefully you guys can see those swatches. Let me try to get the glare off. Okay, there we go. So I think I would be, I want to say Deep 2. Or, yeah, let's go with Deep 2. Oh, before I actually put this on, let me do my brows. I'm gonna use my Flower Beauty, the Skinny Brow Pencil. All right, y'all, let's see how this is gonna look. So again, this is Deep 2. I'm gonna do about that much first, and I'm gonna take my sponge, because y'all know I love me a sponge. I don't know how this is gonna work. It's a little orange. Let's try Deep 1 on this side. Deep 1 looks light though. I mean, this could work. Honestly, it could work. But let me see. Let me see what Deep 1 looks like. What do y'all think? Deep 1 or Deep 2? I think, hold on. Deep 1 matches the center of my face the best, because I am a little bit darker around the perimeter. And yeah, this, I like this one. And then this one is a little bit more orange. So you'll definitely see it more once I start taking it right in here, because this is where I'm a little bit lighter. And I use 2 different sides. So this is the side I use Deep 2 on, and then I flip the sponge over right here and blend it out Deep 1. But just so y'all can see how it looks. And yeah, the coverage is really, really light, because I can still see my skin under the moisturizer, but I like it. I like it. I mean, they both look good. The color actually looks good now that I blended it all the way out. But still, I think Deep 1 is more of like a better match. Yeah. So see how this side looks like I didn't put on anything? Like it looks like my skin is just flawless. And then this side, it's still not bad. I feel like I can go both ways with the shades. I can use Deep 2 or Deep 1. But I'm gonna go ahead and blend the rest out. I could definitely use both shades. If I wanna go with Deep 2 all over the face, I can do that, or Deep 1. So, let me know which side you like best. Deep 2 or Deep 1. So here's Deep 2, and then here's Deep 1. So you can see that it gives me a light coverage. You can still see my skin peeking through, which is not a bad thing because it is a tinted moisturizer. So if you are not wanting that foundation look, then this is it right here. Really natural, really lightweight, and I am not mad at these shades, y'all, at all. I wonder if they have a darker shade, because I wonder if it goes deeper than Deep 3, because this is the darkest one that they sent me. Hopefully it does, but I'm not mad at this, y'all. I am not mad at this. Okay. I'm gonna do the rest of my face and I'll let you guys see me do my makeup. And I'm gonna have everything that I use in the description. I'll have it in order so that way you guys will know what I'm using. But let me do the rest of my face and then I will come back and talk to you guys. All right, guys, we are done with the entire face. I wanted to keep it simple. This looks pretty similar to my Your Skin But Better makeup tutorial that I did a few weeks ago. It was like a full face of drugstore products. So If y'all want to see that video, I will have it linked down below. But I wanted to do the same type of look, just of course using different products. I did use some blush today. I didn't use any blush in that video. And I kept a really simple glossy lip, but the overall complexion looks really, really, really good. So yeah, I'm gonna see how this tint wears throughout the day on the face, and I will check back with you guys later on this evening. Now the time is 1:23, but I'm still gonna try to have it on for 8 hours for you guys so y'all can see how this tinted moisturizer looks throughout the day. So yeah, I guess I'll check back. So once I check back later on, I'll give you guys like my final review and all of that good stuff. But until then, I will see you guys later on. Okay, I'm back. It's 8:19. And this is how the face is looking. I feel like when it comes down to foundations or tinted moisturizers, if you want them to last, like really, really last, it all comes down to what you're putting on your face as far as like, of course, like primers, but powders. And I know some people don't like to wear a setting powder if they're wearing tinted moisturizers. Like they just like to wear it by itself. But with me, I don't care if I'm wearing a tinted moisturizer, BB cream, CC cream, foundation, I'm still gonna pile on that powder on my face because I like for my stuff to be set and I want it to at least last for up to 8 hours. So, but yeah, I like the tinted moisturizer. Honestly, if I didn't put all that powder on my face, I don't think it would have held up. I've laid down on the couch and I have been eating. I can definitely go a few more hours if I wanted to, and I feel like it'll probably look the same. Well, my oils will probably start showing some more, but I can definitely blot and all of that. But other than that, I think it looks pretty good. I feel like I prepped my skin really good with this. So yeah, let me know if you guys have tried this out. I like the coverage. It looks really, really natural. I'm about to go wash my face because I am tired, ready to do my skincare routine and call it a night. So that is all, y'all. That is all that I have for this little review. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.